So the budgeting model for NEPI approach is what? The 60-20-20 approach. So ano ibig sabihin nun? 60%, kung 100,000 ang kinikita ninyo, 60,000 goes to what? Your necessities, meaning your operations in your life, no? In your family. So 10% dito goes to consumer loan, bayad utang, credit card. 20% or 20,000 should be sa shelter o kaya sa mortgage. Kung ikaw ay nagre-rent ng 25,000, huwag sa 25,000 dahil ang kaya mo lang is 20%, which is 20,000. And 30% for your essential needs. Then, your 20% or 20,000 goes to your future fund, which is investing. 5% goes to your insurance and pre-need, 5% for your emergency and investment fund, and 10% for your retirement fund, which is 5,000, 5,000, 10,000. Okay? And the last one is your worry-free account, which is the financing part. You have 10% for your 10,000, your lifestyle. Ano ba yung mga lifestyle mo? Travel, bili ng gadget. 5% will be what? For your education, continuing education sa pag-attend ng mga seminars.